Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox the Cleanova W9 robot vacuum and mop. Let's get started. So we're going to see first what's in the box. Let me just show you the box first. So this is how the box looks. That's the specifications in different languages. That's the side. That's the side. So with the box, you get a quick start guide on how to set it up. You get your user manual, and this is the actual machine itself. So it has remote controls as well. That's the battery for the remote. That is the remote control. This is, I believe that's the mop. This is the charger. This is the docking station. And this is the vacuum cleaner itself. These are the brushes, and this is the mop.